So you know that this is very hot, correct?
Yes.
You've been told that it's very hot.
Yes.
So I'm not responsible for whatever happens, right?
Right.
Okay. So on a countdown, 3, 2, 1, go. All of it.
It tastes like chicken. Does that count, or do I got to do more?
Every bit of it. Look at hers, just like hers.
And so far, it's just like chili. I swallowed it. Oh. Oh.
Hold on.
Okay. All right. Not. Oh God. Oh, that's $20. That's $20. It hurts to breathe. It hurts to breathe. Oh my God. I'm gonna stand here and watch that timer, dude.
Stand here, right here.
Oh my God.
Look at Jody. Jody over there just taking it like a champ.
It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I was scared of you guys. This is nothing.
All right.
Good for you.
She's saying that right now.
My mouth is in pain. I ain't crying. My nose is red.
8 minutes.
My nose is red. I shouldn't have swallowed it. Maria, will you make me a shot of milk, please, though? No, come on. I ain't gonna eat it right now. I want it ready.
How you feeling right now?
In pain.
In pain. Look, the champion is breaking down.
There we go. Oh my God.
Look, y'all got 7 more minutes, or really 8, because it's 7.42 seconds.
Oh, my eyes are watering. I get a break after this, right? Never again, Sam. Never again. Lord Jesus, give me the strength.
You got 7 minutes left. It ticks away. See, look, she's keeping herself busy. That kind of helps you not think about the pain. She's a... There you go. Jody, how you feeling?
Good. The thing about eating something really hot is it releases endorphins to help with the pain. I should feel pretty good after this.
I think what happens is it gets hotter every minute.
Don't say that. What did you say? What did you say?
It gets hotter
It gets hotter after a minute?
It gets hotter every minute.
6 minutes. Maria, why didn't you do it? Jody,
Maria, you want 20 bucks?
I got plenty.
Look, there's the money.
Throwing up's out of the rules too, ain't it?
Yep, can't throw up. Definitely can't throw up.
Look it up. See how hot the ghost fire is. What is the Scoville unit on the ghost fire pepper?
Never heard of it. 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Y'all almost there, even closer to a 20. It's got y'all's name on it.
Oh, God. I can't talk. Guys, my name went answer the phone.
4 more minutes. You okay, Jody?
I'll get us a glass of milk ready. Yeah, my mouth is good. My stomach is starting to hurt really bad.
Really? Were you empty stomach? Did you eat today?
Yeah, I ate a little bit.
She said her stomach's starting to hurt.
She ate something too.
Oh, she did?
1 more minute.
Yeah.
Over halfway there.
Your stomach's not bothering you any, is it?
No, mine's burning.
Oh, your stomach is? Okay.
Yeah, seriously. Can I eat a hole in your stomach?
No,
Okay. Are you sure?
I promise.
Okay.
You'd have to eat.
Sorry, Jody. I feel bad now.
You have to eat the whole bottle to do that.
Oh,
There ain't no. I'm saying there ain't no way it could. It just feels like it'll go away.
I believe it.
Most people
Oh, God.
most people throw up
Oh,
after.
God. Using the bathroom's gonna be fun. Oh, God. I didn't think about that. No, good.
You might need to
3 more minutes.
go throw up if you need to. Run to the bathroom. So what's the most extreme thing you ever done for 20 bucks?
This? I should have been scared when you said you giving away money.
You wanna try it? 20 bucks, I mean.
You sure?
I just feel bad that her stomach's hurting. That y'all's stomach's hurting. But hers seem to be hurting pretty bad. Y'all are cracking me up. Oh, God. 2 minutes left.
My mouth is watering.
Your stomach's burning now? Only 2 minutes exactly.
How many men have not been able to do it?
A lot.
A lot.
So y'all
We're getting full-grown men.
y'all are beating full-grown men right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry your stomach hurting because that is something that happens. You know, if something's real hot, you know, it first gets to your stomach. But I didn't.
Okay, minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
Minute and a half.
You girls are so tough.
I already got ready.
Look, they only have a minute of 6. This is the while you work and your mouth is on fire challenge. Look, she's thinking about that middle. She wants that. Let's zoom in and see this.
My mouth is going numb.
It's going numb. Yep. Look, and this is extreme hot. Extreme hotness. Extreme hotness. It's called My Mouth Is On Fire.com. 30 seconds. Y'all are awesome. Uh-oh. 18 seconds left. 13 seconds left. Hold on now. Good to go. Y'all did it. Y'all made it. Yep.